Kaseng khasi seng kemi hak arkulai trik na yueng kala rakhe kaseng kut snam ke basispa arpuar. Barkani kecing rakhe ke basisin jisnam kala long ke basong kun ba watla kam shumla long ke bahe namar gejing perkheng baneda na klam COVID-19. Hirang ba kaseng khasi ke lepelong ya keduai ke pirat hak yeng seng ke badan hamaukar. Pada dian kene kelami diki kali berki bos na ke yeng seng banher selumpung waking jayau ban pendep keleniam le rukwam man aingo ya ublei no bo nong thau. UMP ka Raja Sabha Profesor Rakesh Sinha ulalong kongsan hagani kejing rakhe. Ha kabaleron lang ki Menteri Sarkar ke bakentup yo ba senyau balang dhar padu baksan borsulai UMLA ke Mauplang uba Eugene San Lengdo UMLA ke North Shillong uba Adelbert Nongrum ki ha officer ke jela ki nong kitkam jong seng khasi pat ki bekibai. Ka jing rakhe ke sengkut snem kelong ka jingket mau buram ki khandrengut ki rangba ki ba menshwa ki yang rangba banyada la ka jong gajat benriu na ki tersim ke jingma jong ke eryong ernget ke balawan ban be kerthap bat sedang ru ban ra ban rong no wadi ki tenrai jong gajat benriu dairu hakni ka singi ba gajat benriu ke lasei ki rang pensai ki rang dajet banyada na ka jingwan telep ulo badom bat dai kini rangba ki ba pen ki em bat pen kendit benriu khasi lengba ke bor perkat bat jingi I jingai jongki banile persya e jing thombor unong wenong ar ban penduk pendam ye ke jingit nyam kanget rukom bat kariti dustur khasi Profesor Rakesh Sinha lero e keseng khasi kembali yang scam persya ye rai e raidam aga jingia lenti ban kenjo sya ke jingdap shispa arfu arsnem ban penek pensa e kariti ke dustur bat kebalong ru kenuk sai ki wei pat gejat benriu ki badan hasat la ke perthai Ula banjor ba keseng khasi gede ban pensulur gisamla ki barang bat kenyam tenrai bagi de ban pentebet dia dia hagijat kam bapher.
It's a quiver made of wood. I hope you like it, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So when the Khasi, Senkhasi and Khasi tribe speaks of the earth in a universal concept, we are the part of the Mother Earth. There cannot be contestation of this philosophy at this juncture, when all the heads of the nations are deliberating to save the climate and the earth. This 122 years old Khasi organization, which is older than more than 20 European nations, is giving message to the world community that although our population is not more than 4 lakhs, it's between 3 to 4 lakhs. But our philosophical foundation is stronger than millions and billions of the people of the earth. We understand the meaning of nature. We understand the meaning of culture. So Senkhasi is to save the nature and save the culture. That is the motto of the Senkhasi. That is the first philosophy which is coming from your own philosophy. And that philosophy is also the cardinal principle of idea of India when we define the Mother India in that term. I consider the young Khasi whether girls and boys, they have potential. They are not meant only for becoming air hostesses or serving in restaurants. I find in you the potentiality and talents to become the part of India's Bollywood, to become the part of India's best academic institutions, to become the part of India's best scientific laboratories.